Recording. All right, so here we are. This class is COMSC 122. And one thing you should know about all my classes is my main website, samsclass.info. And hopefully this Zoom will work. Maybe it won't. All right, I'm going to put it in a text document and blow it up that way then. So we got this, samsclass.info, there, and make it bigger, there. This is the most important thing to know. This is where all my classes come from. I'll put it in the chat in the Twitch. You'll find everything about my classes there. I don't put everything in Canvas because I just developed my own system doing this long before there was Canvas, and I'm kind of clumsy at using Canvas. So samsclass.info is the home for all my classes. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll find this class right here, COMSC 122, and this is a programming course, and we're going to use Python. It's a basic beginning programming course. We're using a free online textbook, and how it works, there are optional class meetings. This is a totally online course. You can do it with no class meetings at all. I have these class meetings on Tuesday nights just to help anybody that might want help, and I present a lecture, and you can attend this and watch it if you find it helpful. You can just view the video later if you find that helpful. If you want to ignore all that, that's fine. It won't affect your grade. I don't grade on attendance. The way you get points is two ways. There are quizzes in the Canvas, which is the official Los Medanos Canvas. There's quizzes on each chapter, and they're worth some points. And then there's a whole lot of hands-on projects. And the hands-on projects have required parts that are just numbers, and then they have extra credit. And so you can earn a whole lot of extra credit with these projects, enough that if you don't want to take a quiz, you can just do a project to make up for it, and so on. And that's it. There's a whole lot and down here there's a whole ton of extra credit ones that I really like that I got from a wonderful site called Advent of Code. Anyway, so we're going to cover how to program in Python, and you'll spend most of your time writing Python programs. That's the main point. All right, and if you go into the Canvas, let's see if this is going to, I got to use a different browser to get in. Let me do that. I have only got my password manager connected to this browser, so I can log in here. There. And when you get in, you will find a welcome description of the class, and you will find a grading page. So that's how many points you need to get a grade. So to get an A, you got to get 532 points. And that's just the total amount of points of quizzes, projects, and the final exam. A lot of students do extra credit, so they have enough points before the final exam, and then they don't even have to take the final exam. And that's fine. Like I said, there's a lot more points than this available in the projects, so you can get there by just doing more programming, because of course that's the whole point of the course. All right, and probably the only other thing important to say, there's a schedule here with recommended due dates for things. I don't enforce those due dates, but I highly recommend them. And I'll show you how to do the projects and how to turn them in with an automated scoring system. And the other thing I want to mention is that I'm available to help you quite a lot. You can connect to this Twitch stream at 7:30 any evening, Monday through Thursday, or Saturday at 11:30. Because my classes are mostly 3 hours long. I finish all the regular class business in the first hour and a half, and the second hour and a half I just answer questions. So if you need help, you get stuck on anything, you can come to this Tuesday session or connect to any of these other sessions in the second half, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have as well as I can. All right, I think that's enough summary of how the course works. Let me stop this recording.